Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Prodigy game account. Prodigy is an interactive math game where success depends on correctly answering skill-building questions. Players can earn rewards, go to quests, and play with their friends. It makes math learning fun and effective with Prodigy math game. It is free for students, parents, and educators, so in order to log into Prodigy, go and click open a web browser on a desktop. You can also do this on a mobile web browser. The application version for Prodigy is also available on Android or iOS, so you can go ahead and install it on your smartphone as well. Start by clicking open a web browser and in the search box type in www.prodigygame.com. Press the enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the official website. If you don't have an account yet, you can create a free account by clicking on this Create Your Free Account Today button and follow the instructions and register yourself first. If you already have one, click on the login button at the upper right, and you can also log into Prodigy with your Clever account and your Google account. If you'd like to use the email for logging in, go and click on the email text box. Type in a valid email address and move on to the next field. Now, go ahead and type in your password. If you'd like to double check your password, click on the Show button at the right corner, and in case you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Your Password link. Follow the instructions to reset to your new password. After you're done entering all the credentials, click Login, and you'll be logged into Prodigy account quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. It's pretty simple to log into Prodigy with just a few simple taps and clicks. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with some more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.